Hello YouTube, Stetch75 here with my favorite product, Donruss Optic Fastbreak Box Break. Oh god, this is like 5 or 6, I don't know. Lost track. But hopefully it's another lucky box. The last box that I broke of this product had 2 golds in it. A Devin Booker gold to number to 10. Gold Fastbreak. And a Tyler Herro rated rookie autograph. Number to 10, redemption. So I redeemed that right away, obviously. Hopefully, can't wait for that to come in the mail. Hopefully where Tyler Herro's injured right now, or was injured, hopefully he did some signings. We'll see how quick Panini redeems that. Oh, I can't wait to get that thing. And where it's a redemption, hopefully it's in good condition. But on to the break. What we're here for. Let's see how we do. Ready. James Harden, Tim Hardaway. Elite Dominators, DeMar DeRozan. Oh, Ja Morant, but it's not the Prism. But you know what that means. Who's usually in the next pack? Looks like we made some of our money back already. That's a nicely centered Ja. Doesn't look that off-centered. Should we, maybe we should sleeve that up. Let's sleeve them up. I hope everyone's safe and doing okay. This is crazy with this coronavirus. What's going on? Everyone's panicking, but hopefully it blows over soon. I also want to thank all my subscribers who watch my videos and are really, you guys are amazing. Like, honestly, besides a few trolls that give thumbs downs here and there, you guys are awesome. Like, the guys who told me about the press proofs, I totally blew by those quick because I was breaking the box quick. I went back and I had like 6 or 7 press proof numbered cards. So thanks guys for catching that for me. I really appreciate it. Got an auto here. Why don't we save this till the last till the end. Build up some suspense here. We don't want to go through the auto right away. So Daniel Gafford, rated rookie base, rated rookie. I'm going to leave it right there. And don't let me forget, guys. I'll try and leave it right off this side where I see it. I always forget. I tell you what, if I forget, I'll edit it and put it in. But I don't think I'm going to forget this time. Getting old, guys. Goran Dragic. Rainmakers, Damian Lillard. Not sure if I have that one. I might. You know what's not looking so good? That's the wrong Pelican, guys. So we haven't gotten Zion. That Ja was the bottom pack. So hopefully, I mean, not hopefully. I'm hoping that didn't offset the pattern where they fall together and then there was no Zion because Zion went into the next box maybe. Very well could be because the Ja. That's awesome. I'll take a Celtic fast break rookie, Grant Williams. And that is nice. Getting a Dylan Windler, rated rookie. So 2 rated rookies, 1 fast break and 1 base. Rated rookie. That works for me. I love this product. I'm always happy. Already off to a great start. And God knows our auto is too. Could be a really good card. I never get... The problem is with these guys. The colored parallels are always veteran garbage. It's never a rated rookie. Kawhi Leonard is not really garbage. It's pretty good. But it's not a rated rookie. It would have been nice if it was the Romeo Langford. Just have a rated rookie parallel. It's 77.85. Hey, Ray Bork's number. I like that. There's Romeo Langford. All right, so moving on. You might hear my wife jibber jabbering in the background. She's working from home, kind of taking calls. All right, all clear for Takeoff. Russell Westbrook. Oh, Terrence, Kendrick Nunn. That's a good rated rookie. McKinnon. Klay Thompson, All-Stars. Bruno Fernando. Yeah, it's crazy. I don't know if you guys heard that with this coronavirus. None of the fans are going to be in like the NBA stands or the sporting events or the March Madness games. Pretty historical. Oh, that's beautiful. All clear for Takeoff. Fastbreak, Prism. Zion, and there he is. Oh, what a pack. What a pack. I got to take a picture of that. That's huge. That's awesome. I don't have that card yet either. So the Prism, it's just an insert, but still. And then the regular Zion did fall with our boy Ja Morant. So the two of them always roll in the same box together. That's huge. We made our money back. Too bad that wasn't as on. Hey, Tyler Harrell, that's nice. Lonzo Ball's still good for the purple, number to 95. Would be nice if that was a Zion blue. That would have been amazing. Can never get the parallel of a big rated rookie, but I'm not complaining. Happy to get that John Zion in here. I love Fastbreak. Always do good. Cam Reddish. Alright, Steph Curry. Goga Pizzati. Hey, at least we got a rated rookie. Fast break Prism. Not the best one, but... and that's a little. There's the guy we got the gold on. The last one, Devin Booker. In the last box, got gold Tyler Harrell rated rookie auto signature redemption and the gold Booker in the same box. I don't know how that happens. It's crazy. Trey Young, that's awesome. Sophomore year blue Trey Young, that is sweet. What a box. Numbered to 50. That is fantastic. Jokic, Paul George, All-Star. Kyle Kuzma, Fast Break Prism. Darius Garland, rated rookie. Down to our last 3 packs here. Got a Hield. Oh, Giannis Silver. That's awesome. What a box. Jesus, what a box. Ooh, what the hell is that? Come on, Panini. Are you kidding me? It's like a sticker. Really? It's a legit sticker. It's got something on it. God, Panini. Sorry, I don't have a microfiber cloth available. I'll put that off to the side. That was it. I'm not going to complain because of the box that we're having. Oh, we haven't even done the auto yet. I'm not going to complain at that. Clear for Takeoff, Andrew Wiggins. Jackson Hayes. Get all the Pelican rookies in this box. We got Nicole Melly, Jackson Hayes. Oh, we didn't get Nikhil Alexander Walker. But we got Zion. That's all that counts. Another huge box. Still haven't done the auto, guys. Drew Holiday, Danny Green. C.D. Osman, I always get this guy in a parallel. Cameron Johnson. Rudy Gay. Alright guys, here's the auto. How bigger could this box get? I mean, even if it's terrible, I don't care. Because it's been an amazing box already, so no idea who the Milwaukee Bucks. Oh, Wesley Matthews. I'm not sure if he's a rookie. I don't think he is. You guys let me know, but I believe he's a veteran. Any Bucks fans here? I love how Harley Davidson sponsors them. I used to have a Harley for the kids. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. It was a great box. How much better could it get? Amazing. Zion, insert, all clear for Takeoff, Fastbreak parallel. Ja, regular, Zion, regular, Raider rookie. Just so many cards. Trey Young, numbered to 50, Fastbreak, blue. Just so many cards, so many Raider rookies. 2 Fastbreak Raider rookies. Kawhi Leonard, a Giannis Silver. Just an amazing box. Thumbs up. It definitely deserves 2 thumbs up. Like and subscribe if you do subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications. I want to thank you for watching. Have a great evening, guys.